Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at probably one of the few altcoins or cryptocurrencies on the market today that are up pretty significantly, and that is Uniswap governance token and its valuations against Bitcoin, Ethereum, and US dollars, just up on everything. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Uh, Uniswap has been up about 10% for the better part of this morning. Been ranging from 9% to as high as I believe 12, 13%. So it's doing fairly well considering the fact that Bitcoin is down currently 3%, Ethereum's down 1%, Link is down 3, Basic Attention Token down 3, so on and so forth. It's not looking good for a lot of coins, at least for today. Um, However, Uniswap is really pushing forward. And you could probably attribute this to where Uniswap is against the US dollar. It's currently at $12, been ranging around $11. But the significant thing is that it's above its prior all time high. It's now, I would argue, in price discovery mode. Um, and this is one of the benefits of buying a coin that has not a lot of price history. Price discovery comes pretty quick, whether that's up to the to one way or the other. I mean, you can argue that taking out in consideration of these two daily candles here, I could argue that that this downtrend here was also price discovery, that we didn't know where the bottom was because there was no price before it to kind of give us any idea on where that might be. And the same thing is as of right now, we don't know where the price will be in regards to how high this is going to go. And that's the exciting thing about these tokens. And that's why I bought Uniswap. Other than the fact that I think Uniswap is going to play a quite a big role down the road, um, despite that DEXs only account for 2% of total trading volume. Um, I believe that will change. It should go up. Um, the user interface of Uniswap is quite simple to use, and that is its main advantage. And it should bring a lot of more traders, buyers, and sellers to that protocol and other protocols like it. So I would anticipate down the road that number should grow, that percentage number should grow, and because of that, Uniswap should grow too, and we're seeing the start of that. Um, we're at $12.20. Um, we went as high as I believe 13, close to $14 yesterday. Um, and the question is how high we can go. Well, when you look at the Bitcoin chart, we're nowhere near the prior all time high. Um, we're we're quite far away from it. You could say that we're 50, we're halfway there. Um, but that is not the first target. I would argue that probably the first target, if there is one, would be around 48,600 sats or around that area. It was the last time, it was the first attempt by Uniswap to make a reversal. If you look here on the day on September 23rd and 24th, we saw a move of how much was it? Of 15%, followed by a move of 12% to the upside, and then ultimately getting rejected. So you could argue that this is going to be the next line of resistance for Uniswap. We're almost there. You could say that we're 25% the way there. We can easily get there within a week or two, but we'll see. Um, Coins like these, it's hard to make any technical analysis on. Someone did say, uh, you know, there is you can do technical analysis. Just flip it to the hourly. When have you ever seen me on the hourly? I rarely trade on the hourly. Um, Again, it's like trying to catch a moving train, and short term moves like that are near impossible to predict. If you're able to predict them, all the power to you. I hope you make a lot of money. But that point of in life for me of trading on the hourly is over. With that said, I mean with Uniswap, I'm just gonna hold it. There's not much else to say. I did show videos on Ethereum and VeChain on how I'm going to be selling them and moving out of the market. With Uniswap, I don't have such a clear idea just yet. I'm probably going to be holding this for quite some time, a better part of a year, maybe more. Um, it ultimately, I think, depends on really what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin, I think, is making a macro peak, then I'll revisit, or soon to make a macro peak, I will revisit my Uniswap position, see where I am, and kind of make a plan of action there. But at this point, I think it's too early to tell. I am not selling any of my Uniswap right now, even at a lucrative $12 per token. Um, not yet, not yet for Uniswap. Um, with that said, enjoy the move. There's not much else to say. Let's see what this token can do. And as long as the protocol is running, as long as altcoins are moving, Uniswap is poised to be advantageous in that market. I think. I think when altcoins really start to move, like what we've seen in the past few weeks, altcoin Uniswap should follow because its bread and butter is trading altcoins, all ERC20s, which make up a majority of the market, by the way. So with that said, enjoy the move. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. Not much else to say about this token. I'm just loving what it's doing right now and wanted to make a video of it. That's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.